In this video, I draw the quadrilateral ABCD where 4 sides and one of the angle is given. Exercise 17A, question number 7. So first we draw the line segment AB. This is the ray AX with the measurement of AB equal to 3.5 centimeter. Taking A as a center, draw this arc. So this is the point B. Now draw an angle 120 degree at the point B. 120 degree at the point B. It is possible to draw by compass. So it is 60 degree. It is another 60 degree. With the same radius. Now if we join and extend the line, so this is the angle 120 degree. Now cut the line segment BC. So with the measurement of BC 3.5 centimeter, with the measurement of BC as radius, taking B as a center, draw this arc. So this is the point C. Now with the measurement of AD, with the measurement of AD as radius 5.2 centimeter, taking A as a center, draw this arc. And with the measurement of CD, same line, same length 5.2, taking C at the center, draw this arc. So this is the point of intersection of AD and CD. So this is the point D. Now join the point AD and CD. So this is the required quadrilateral ABCD where AB equal to 3.5 centimeter, angle B equal to 120 degree, BC equal to 3.5 centimeter, DC equal to 5.2 centimeter, and AD also 5.2 centimeter. So this is the quadrilateral ABCD. Next, question number 8. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral and these informations are given where AB, AD and angle A 70 degree and BC and DC are given. So first we draw this line segment AB. So this is the point A, X. Now with the measurement of AB 2.9 centimeter, taking A as a center, draw this arc. So this is the point B and it is 2.9 centimeter. Now draw an angle 70 degree at the point A. So by using protractor we draw this angle 70 degree. So this is the initial line. So count the angle with 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 degree angle. This is 70 degree angle. Now with the measurement of AD, here AD 3.4 centimeter as radius, with the measurement of AD as radius, taking A as a center. So this is the point D. This is the point D. Now with the measurement of BC 3.2 centimeter, BC 3.2 centimeter with B as a center, draw this arc, and with the measurement of DC 2.7 centimeter, taking D as a center, draw this arc. So this is the point C. So this is the required quadrilateral ABCD. Now join these vertices BC and DC. So this is the required quadrilateral ABCD, where angle A 70 degree, AB 2.9 centimeter, BC 3.2 centimeter, DC 2.7 centimeter, and AD 3.4 centimeter. Next, question number 9. Here, 3 sides and 2 angles are given. So first we draw the line segment BC 5 centimeter. So this is the point B and X with the measurement of BC 5 centimeter as radius, taking B as a center, cut the line segment BC. So this is the point C. Now draw an angle 125 degree at the point B. With the help of protractor, we draw the angle 125 degree. 120, this is 125 degree. And at the point C, draw an angle 60 degree. It is possible to draw the angle 60 degree by compass, but I draw this angle by 60 degree using protractor, because here not given by using only compass. So 60 degree. So this is the initial line this side. So count 60 degree from the outside line, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this is the angle 60 degree. In your book it is not given that draw an angle by using compass. That is why I using protractor. So this is the angle 60 degree. And it is 125 degree. Now with the measurement of CD as radius, taking C as a center, draw this arc. So this is the point D. And with the measurement of BA, 3.5 centimeter as radius, taking B as a center, draw this arc. So this is the point A. Now joint A and D. So this is the required quadrilateral ABCD, where angle B 125 degree, angle C equal to 60 degree, AB equal to 3.5 centimeter, BC equal to 5 centimeter, and CD equal to 4.6 centimeter. Thank you.